Good day, bright and cheerful welcome to this week's vlog. Our campus came alive with energy as students explored new ideas, shared happy moments, and engaged in meaningful learning experiences and sports. We successfully conducted Sports Week for grade 1 and above, which witnessed high energy, teamwork, and joyful participation. From exciting races to fun-filled games, our students proudly showcased sportsmanship, confidence, and enthusiasm throughout the week. Each activity promoted physical fitness, teamwork, and a healthy competitive spirit, making the event truly memorable for everyone. Congratulations to all the winners and participants for their outstanding effort.
During Sports Week, I had a lot of fun participating in various sports activities. I enjoyed playing games, running races, and supporting my friends. It helped me understand how important it is to stay active, work as a team, and never give up. Sports Week was a wonderful experience that made me feel proud and happy.
Sports Week was one of the most exciting weeks in school for me. I enjoyed taking part in different races and games like basketball and football. It made me feel energetic and confident, and I was happy to try new activities. I learned the importance of teamwork, discipline, and playing fair. Cheering for my friends and cheered by teachers made the whole experience very special and memorable.
The KG2 transition to Grade 1 provided a clear understanding of the Grade 1 learning framework. This was followed by an engaging live demonstration where our Grade 1 students confidently showcased classroom practices across subjects including Arabic, second language, science, math, and English. Parents enjoyed seeing students explain activities and concepts firsthand, gaining valuable insight into their learning journey. The session highlighted the power of student voice, active learning, and a strong homeschool partnership. In celebration of UAE-Kuwait relations, the Social Studies Department hosted an assembly themed UAE and Kuwait Shared Past, Shared Future. Through a role play, students highlighted the nation's shared history, cultural ties, and cooperation, emphasizing values of unity, respect, and friendship, and a vision for continued collaboration and progress. Our grade 9 and 11 students are busy with their final exams, so wishing all of them the very best as they complete this important milestone in their academic journey. And that wraps up this week's highlights. Thank you for following along with us. Have a great day ahead.